Hey everybody, I'm Andy Stavros.
I'm Deborah Robinson.
We're here at Newport Towers on the water here on Newport Harbor off Coast Highway.
You might have never known this building exists because they rarely come on the market. This is the first one for sale this year.
That's right, and this unit is clean, it's updated, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The building has private gated underground parking, fitness facility, an optional boat slip, and the location is fantastic. I can see Nobu straight ahead, Lido Village. You can walk to a restaurant, Cested Bon, Billy's, Rusty Pelican, Louis on Main. The list goes on and on.
You're not going to want to miss that.
That's right. Come check it out. I hope you enjoyed that lifestyle tour. I'm Andy Stavros.
I'm Deborah Robinson. Please contact the Stavros Group for private showings.
And you probably just saw the Bellissima, beautiful boat, but it's not ours. We do have a Duffy dock downstairs. You want to jump on it and head to lunch?
Sounds great.
All right, let's
do
go.
it.